Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to draw Nimbus from Stumble Guys, and thanks for the suggestion. Let's start with the cloud's head. So a little line like so. Comes around the old cumulonimbus cloud, which is quite a menacing cloud, producing thunderstorms, heavy rain, etc. Let's bring this little piece around here like so. And then we've got another little bit up the back. Now let's draw the cloud cheeks. So I'm going to have a cheek here like that. And another cheek here like so. And then that sort of comes down and around like this. And the head comes around there, joining onto here where we've got some lightning coming off. Let's put one eye in, one eye there, the other eye over this side. We'll colour that in black. And then we've got some eyebrows. So I'm just going to put an eyebrow like this. Colour that in, and the same on the other side. Now we've got the body. Let's draw the body. Another fluffy part of the cloud, like so. Bring this around. This bit comes around here. Now they look like little fingers, but they're like, we'll just do 3 little cloud puffs for the fingers, like this. And there's some extra little bits out the back here. And around this side as well. These are like really light parts of the cloud. Let's put this part here in. 1, 2, 3. And then it's so funny because it's got some actual, there's a bit of shading through here. A bit of shading through here. It's kind of funny because it's got some boots. So let's draw a oval shape. This boot comes around like this, comes up and then joins back up there. And then we have the sole of the boot coming around like that. This boot, we see a bit more of the top part of it like that. Comes back, a bit more side on. So here we see the side of the boot. Comes up like this. That comes around there. And then we have another part of the boot here. And we have heaps of lightning and other bits of shading, which I'll put on when I colour that in. It'll look much better. Now if you've enjoyed today's video, make sure you give me a like and a thumbs up and subscribe for future content. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, cheers, bye, see ya.